totoo lang, nakakainis. Sobrang nakakainis. Kasi parang effort na kami, sinabihan na mahirap yung sa amin. Mahirap, pero hindi pa rin nakita yung each and every members kasi we're waiting for that. Para ma-improve. Parang naman manalo kami.
Pag laging una daw yung prod, ibig sabihin yung pinakamaganda.
Wala kasi. It's tagang nga kasi. Wala Here,
sayang naman ako! Grabe! Hindi man nanalo, pero nag-rate namin, nag-trending sa Twitter, nag-number 1 sa Philippines. Ano pa mahihili natin?
Wala It's tagang talaga Tagang talaga
Itong concept namin, it's all about Africa. It's mostly dance-based.
Let's be colorful this time.
Di ba yung set yung mood? We're gonna really set the mood kung yung set doon puro trees. Tapos pagpasok natin, lahat na tayo doon. Like our tribe is all there na nakapiyas na tayo.
Na-excite ako. Kasi gagalaw ka talaga. Exercise. Magpo-perform na lang kami. Sobrang ganda. And hindi na lang natin isipin kung mananalo ako.
Menina tora, e tora, tora, tora. Si mama, si mawu, ika tora, tora.
Stars and cannonballs are running through your head. On television, street show cops and robbers everywhere. Subways make me nervous, people pushing me too far. I've got to break away, so take my hand now. I want to live like animals, careless and free. Like animals, I want to live. I want to run through the jungle.
move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to
Move it, 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 I like to move it, move
This is Africa. Samina mina, waka waka, samina mina, sangalewa. This is Africa. This is Africa. Samina mina, waka waka, samina mina, sangalewa. This is Africa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Instagang! My goodness, nakakaloka. Sandali, gusto kong kunin si Solen. Judges, take note. Si Miss Solen ang gumawa ng makeup ng mga artists. Napakahusay naman. Judges Jano and Miss Jaya. Yes,
Ganda.
siya po ang gumawa.
Ano?
Yung makeup?
Solen ang gumawa ng
makeup
makeup?
of the artist.
Galing, galing mo naman.
Ito na ba ang magpapanalo
Very
sa
nice.
Instagang? Itong performance nila.
I'm just saying right now, nakatapat at nakatagpo ng kalaban ng trending. I'm sorry. So, medyo kinikilabutan ako kasi from the makeup, which is hard to achieve, from Kyla's voice and Azel's voice, lahat, the boys, the dancers, the scene, ang tindi. Kinikilabutan ako hanggang ngayon. Christian, I don't know, may kalaban eh. Eto na yon mismo.
Si Kyla, nakita mo, ang galing kumanta, sumasayaw.
Iniba yung kanta, pre! Kyla, ibang klaseng leveling yung ginawa mo na ginasap mo yung Nako, humihinga ako ng malalim.
Si Azel din. Azel din.
Iba ba? Doña Charito.
Si Win-Win, lagi naman magaling si Win-Win. Eh.
Oo nga, baka meron kayong nais idagdag, Doña.
Waka waka. Africa, ang ganda ng costumes, makeup, everything. Everybody's so good. Galing ninyo, wala na si Charito, nag-itla ako na, teka.
Waka na masabi, waka.
Wala na akong masabi.
Waka na.
Go.
Miss Dulce, naapa?
Nangangarin ako. You know what? I'm so happy kasi binigyan sila ng pagkakataon lumalabas yung pagiging creative nila lahat.
Yes.
At yung genius nila lumalabas. I'm so happy with the makeup, the costumes. You know, the dancers, you're perfect talaga. And of course, I'm very proud of my Azel and my Rajun and lahat itong mga bagets na ito. Ang galing-galing ninyo. I'm so happy.
Donald, galing! Choreographer nyo, ang galing.
Si Rojun, guest na naman. Matutuwa si Eric niyan sa ginagawa.
And JR, of course.
Matutuwa si Be.
Congrats! Galing nyo. Solen, great job on the makeup.
Thank you, judges! Kasama ko ngayon ang princesses ng Miss World Philippines. Second Princess Zara Saldua, First Princess Janice Lubina, and Miss World Philippines 2013, Megan Young.
Hi, Janine.
Megan, anong preparations mo sa nalalapit na laban sa Indonesia?
Well, this week ang gagawin namin lahat ng training na kailangan from the walk sa how I talk. Siyempre, I have to learn how to speak Bahasa since we're going to Indonesia and we have a lot to prepare. There's such little time and so much to do, but we are gonna work it for the Philippines.
Yes, we're also excited for you and everyone's rooting for you, so good luck.
Thank you.
Up next, tutukan ng Sunday All-Stars debut ng River Maya, who will sing their latest single at ang heartwarming production number ng ating Kapuso Stars with their parents para sa launch ng Anak Ko Yan. Magbabalik pa ang Sunday All-Stars!
Put your hands together, everyone.